Hi, everyone. Welcome to Easylish channel.
Hi! We are so happy you are here with us today.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. I am Mark, and today we talk about habits. Small habits, big habits, good habits, and bad habits. And we have a wonderful guest with us, Sada. Hello, Sada.
Hi, Mark. Hi, listeners. I am happy to be here, and I love this topic. Habits are very important in our life.
Yes, I agree. Let's start with a simple question. What is a habit?
A habit is something we do again and again, something we do without thinking too much. For example, brushing our teeth, drinking coffee every morning, or checking the phone.
Yes, that sounds right. Many people wake up and look at their phone first. That is a habit.
Some people drink water first. Some people go for a run. Some meditate. Many different habits exist, good ones and bad ones.
So we can say habits shape our day.
Yes, exactly. Habits shape our day and our life.
So in the morning, people have many habits, maybe shower, maybe tea or coffee, maybe breakfast, maybe exercise.
Yes, these small habits change how we feel. For example, if you eat a healthy breakfast, maybe fruit or eggs, you feel more energy. If you eat nothing and only drink strong coffee, sometimes you feel nervous.
True. I sometimes drink only coffee and I feel a little shaky.
Yes, that happens.
So let's quickly remember what we said. In the morning, people drink coffee, tea, water, maybe exercise, maybe shower, maybe eat breakfast, and these habits affect how they start the day.
Right. Good memory.
Now let's talk about bad habits. Many people have habits that do not help them.
Yes, like sleeping very late, eating too much fast food, smoking, biting nails, or spending too much time on TV or phones.
Yes, phone time is a big problem today. Social media is fun, but can take many hours.
Sometimes people want to work or study, but the phone is a problem. They say only 5 minutes, but then it becomes 1 hour.
Yes, this is very common.
Also, fast food is a strong habit for many people. It's easy and fast, but not healthy.
So let's review quickly again. Bad habits include sleeping late, eating too much fast food, smoking, too much TV or phone, and they can make our life worse.
Yes, they make us tired, less healthy, and sometimes unhappy.
Okay, now the most important question. How can we change habits?
I think the best way is to start small, very small. Many people want a big change fast. They say, tomorrow I run 1 hour, but they don't run even 10 minutes.
So it's better to run 10 minutes every day than to try 1 hour and stop.
Exactly. Small steps every day make a strong habit.
I like that idea. Small steps every day.
Yes. And another useful way to change habits is to write about it. Maybe write in your journal, today I drank only 1 soda. Today I walked 15 minutes.
So, tracking the habit.
Yes, tracking is powerful. When we see progress, even small progress, we feel happy and continue.
I think another way is telling a friend. When we tell someone, we feel responsible.
Yes, that is accountability. Very helpful. For example, you and your friend go to the gym together. You don't want to cancel because your friend waits for you.
That's right.
Also, changing your environment helps. For example, if you want to eat less chocolate, don't buy chocolate for your home.
Yes, if chocolate is in the house, chocolate is in your stomach.
That is true.
So let's review quickly again. To change habits, start small, track your progress, tell a friend, and change your environment.
Very good summary.
Now let's talk about evening habits. I used to check my phone in bed. I scrolled for 1 hour and slept late.
Yes, many people do that, but it is not good for our sleep and our mind.
Now I put my phone in another room. I read a book before bed. Only 15 minutes, but it helps.
That is a good habit. Reading relaxes the mind. Also, drinking tea or listening to calming music helps.
So in the evening, it's better to relax and prepare for sleep, not look at bright screens.
Yes, our brain needs calm time.
Let's review again what we said. For better evenings, don't use the phone in bed, read a little, drink tea, or listen to calm music.
Perfect.
I want to ask you one more question. Do you think one habit can change a life?
Yes, I really think so. One small habit can start a chain of other good habits. For example, walking 10 minutes gives more energy. More energy helps good sleep. Good sleep helps good mood. Good mood helps better decisions. So, one small habit can start many positive changes.
Like a domino effect.
Exactly.
And of course, the opposite is also true. One small bad habit can make other problems.
Yes. For example, using the phone late means poor sleep. Poor sleep means no energy. No energy means no exercise. No exercise means bad mood. And the cycle continues.
So habits are like the foundation of our life.
Yes, habits build our future.
That is a powerful message.
And to our listeners, remember, you don't need to change everything today. Just choose one habit, a small one. Maybe drink one more glass of water. Maybe read 5 minutes. Maybe walk 10 minutes.
And repeat it tomorrow, and next week, and maybe next month.
Yes, consistency is more important than perfection.
I love that. Consistency is more important than perfection.
Thank you, Mark. I enjoyed this conversation.
Thank you, Sada, and thank you to everyone listening today. We hope this podcast helps you think about your habits and start one good habit today. Have a wonderful day, and see you next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care and build good habits.